Today we are going to see how to create formula in Google Sheet. First of all, you have to open your browser. In the search bar, type sheets.google.com. Then Google Sheet will appear. Here is a demo. Click on a cell that you want to use. Then in the right side of the effects button, you will see a empty bar. Click on this. Then input equal sign. After inputting equal sign, you can use any function. I am showing you a demo. Click sum. Then you have to click on the value that you want to add. I will sum from B2 to B13, so I will type this B2 colon B13. Now click on enter. Then the sum of from B2 to B13 will appear. You can use many functions to do your work. If you like this video, give the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.